I want to say thank you so much, meebak.seoul sent me this product for me to review. Thank you so much. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Steve. If this is the first time you discover me, I'm a 50 years old skincare expert. I have over 30 years experience working in cosmetic. That's what made me an expert in skincare education and skincare recommendations. If you want to learn tip and trick how to stay looking younger, follow me over here, turn on notification bell so you know the time and day I release my video. This video we're going to do a product review, and this time it's a skincare all the way from Seoul, Korea. It's called meebak. This is a budget-friendly skincare, and what's so cool about this particular product, it's not just only a brightening serum, also it's anti-aging, designed for sensitive skin. Let's dive in right now and see what this product is all about. Let's get started this video. So as I mentioned, this particular product is called Cica Vitamin C Serum, brightening and replenish. So a lot of time vitamin C is really known for brightening the skin, and let me tell you, not all vitamin C create equally. There's a lot, I won't name the name here, okay? There's a lot of company, their vitamin C is actually very aggressive, cause irritation on the skin. And more I found that we as a human, we are being through so much stress. Internal stress, external stress, environmental stress, and mental stress. All the stress cause our skin it's not functioning properly, and will become more drier, more sensitive. Do you feel the same way? Leave the comment down below. We still have a problem that we need to fix, the discolorations or spots on the caused from the sun damage, right? Most of the brightening ingredient could be a little bit aggressive, and it's just not really going to help. And I have not tried this yet. Looking at their product descriptions, it's really have a sensitive skin in mind, which I really like that. So I want to let you know that anytime I review any skincare product the first time, it's really more focused texture of the product, the scent of the product, how fast is absorption into my skin. As far as the efficacy, that really takes 28 days. You can follow me on my Instagram or TikTok to see the final review on that. So let's look at this bottle here right now. This is about 1.1 ounce. It shows you the 6 powerful ingredients they are using in their product. So they are using Cica and vitamin C serum. So Cica is known as a tiger grass, and it reduces the redness and brightening the skin tone for radiant complexions. It also protects your skin against free radical, minimize signs of aging, soothe damaged skin, and promote skin barrier functions. So that's why I think it's really cool, because myself has been through so much, especially lately I've been trying so many skincare products. My skin is a little bit on the sensitive side. It's getting better now, so I definitely want to open this and give this a try if I can remove the sticker. This sticker is really hard to remove. Okay. Oh, it's kind of matte bottle finish, so you can't really see the color, but it's actually pretty nice. A brownish matte color. You can see the liquid in there. Let me wash my face and put this on my face right now. I will be right back. I just washed my face. We're gonna try this on my skin right now, see how this feels. Alright. So I'm gonna do this. Oh, it feels kind of thick. Let me see. Oh, okay, it's not bad. It's not the thick the serum. I really don't like serum. It's too thick and too oily. It has a kind of minty smell in there, and I guess it's because from the tiger grass. Kind of lightweight smell. It feels like a liquid instead oil. Okay, my skin is so dry right now. That 1 dropper is definitely not enough. I'm going to put 2 dropper, and I will always recommend that when you use a skincare product, look at instructions and also based on your skin's conditions. If you feel like you need a little bit more, just do it, you know. Alright. I mean, this doesn't really feel anything. It's very lightweight serum. It feels like absorbing to skin very quickly. I like that. There's no immediate discomfort. Sometimes I can tell the brand, okay? I use the vitamin C so I can feel the itchiness. It's really, it depends. So this one's good. Okay, so far so good. Okay, now let's take a look of their website and see what other product they have. Alright, so we are on the meebak.seoul website, and you can see immediately they are paraben free, sulfate free, and no, it's also animal cruelty free. And let's look at meebak about their story. Take me back. I wonder meebak means take me back. I like that. And it's a Korea's best kept secret for herbal beauty that take you back to soft, smooth baby skin. Like that idea. And you can look at this yourself. I don't need to read the whole thing for you. And the mission is to believe top-notch skincare should be attainable to everyone. I like that. And let's look at this right here. What is a Cica? So Cica, I'm going to down here. It's also known for Centella asiatica, as known as Cica, and it also known as a tiger grass. I did not know tiger grass is Centella asiatica. Very interesting. And this plant has a natural healing benefits in there, so they use this ingredient for inflammation, redness, and help to build skin barrier for stronger, healthier skin. Very nice. And let's look at their product right here. So they have a lot of different product right here. They have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 different product in their line. And obviously every product is blended with Cica. So I really like this idea that, focus on more sensitive skin, because there's so many product out there actually cause irritation for our skin, or we actually damage our skin through the environmental damage. I hope you liked this video. Introduce you meebak.seoul, the Cica Vitamin C Serum, and also take a look at their website. If you have any question, definitely leave a comment down below. If you want to see my final thought of this product, check out my social media, Instagram and TikTok to see more information. Alright, I want to say thank you so much for watching my video. It means so much to me. If you can also subscribe my YouTube channel over here, turn on notification bell so you know time and day I release my video. I'll see you next time. Bye!